Hi friends, welcome to Diksuchi. I hope you have enjoyed trading today too. The stocks whatever we discussed yesterday have given a good return. The stock which was not opened at current market price was not given any profit. Of course, we had not taken any trade on that. Now let us see the trading strategies for 5th January 2022, that is for tomorrow. Here, yesterday we discussed two stocks which are good for short-term investment. Those are Aditya Birla Fashions and ICICI Bank. And both have given a good return for the day, that is Aditya Birla Fashion booked 4.66% of growth and ICICI Bank is 1.07%. So, if anyone is not taken the trade, even you can try for today because we are waiting for the target to be hit. So, no other further stock I can suggest you for short term for the day. Now let us see the intraday stocks. So here I have mentioned 6 stocks. Whichever it is convenient to you at the time of taking the trade, better you can access for it. Whichever the stock you are more confident, then you can go for 1 or 2 stocks of it. Instead of going for all 6 stocks, even if you can go for 1 or 2 stocks also, definitely may give you a very good profit for you. So out of those 6, first one is LIC Housing Finance Limited. The current market price is 380. This time I am also mentioning the stop loss so that if the stock opens below this price or if it touches, better you exit from the trade. So the current market price is 380 and target we are expecting is 384 tomorrow and stop loss is 377. See, these are based on my research. So if you want to book more than this profit, that's up to you, and if you want to change any in the stop loss, that's up to you. When come for UPL Limited, the current market price is 762, whereas the target is 766.50 and stop loss is 760. And M&M Financial, Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited, current market price is 153. You can target for 156 and you can mark your stop loss as 152. Exide India Limited, 170.2 is the current market price. You can target for 171.70 and the stop loss is 169.5. Indian Hotels, 184.75 is the current market price. Your target is 187 and stop loss is 183.5. Gujarat State Petronet Limited. So current market price is 300.6, whereas target you can have for 304.35, whereas stop loss is 298.5. So if the stocks tomorrow opens above these current market prices, then you can take the trade and target for the mentioned prices, and also please place the stop losses so that if at all any unfortunate cases, we can protect our capital and we can stop the losses for us. At the end, let us see the support and resistance for tomorrow. And Nifty and Bank Nifty, what we were discussed was exactly standing on that, and today also both have closed at a positive note. So Nifty, the support is 17,550, whereas resistance you can see at 18,000. It is not exactly 18,000, it is 17,970. So 10-20 marks here and there, 18,000 you can keep it as a resistance. Bank Nifty, here I found 2 support zones. That is, first thing is 36,520. If missed it, then it definitely will take a support at 36,370. Whereas resistance, if it crosses 37,110, then I am expecting that it definitely will move up to 37,730. So this is what, friends, for tomorrow's trade. So again, I wish you a very happy and joyful trading day on 5th January 2022. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.